following message is transmitted at the request of the Jefferson County Emergency Management Agency. A very unusual and dangerous situation is currently unfolding within the city of Louisville. A very mysterious and unknown individual was seen engulfing the entire city of Louisville in complete darkness, with no signs of sunlight in sight. This has resulted in temperatures dropping to very low levels, with many people even catching hypothermia. It is currently unknown of the whereabouts of this individual, but law enforcement will continue to search for this individual, even if it means destroying property. At this time, residents should remain in their homes with all heat systems on to remain warm, and to avoid getting hypothermia. If you spot this individual, report him to the police immediately. Please continue to monitor local stations and media outlets for more information on this situation. The following message is